Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an OD buggity, welcome back. I got my new hair or whatever, new hair, who this? Okay, so you guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing a Dollar Tree haul with some great finds that I have recently found throughout my Dollar Tree shopping because I love a Dollar Tree. Now with this video, with these finds, these are items that I feel like are definitely worth more than $1, and some of them are actually literally worth more than $1, and they are from Dollar Tree for $1. So hey guys, but before we get started to this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, and let's go ahead and get started to this good old Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so you guys, so I have a bunch of goodies in this cute little basket right here from Dollar Tree here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over each and every single item that I actually purchased from Dollar Tree that was only $1, but I feel like it's definitely worth more than $1. Okay, so as you know, Dollar Tree, every single thing is $1 in there, but sometimes you may actually look up and find items in Dollar Tree that are literally like worth $5, $10 in Dollar Tree, and it's like a luxury find for me, you know, for Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started into each and every single one of these items. Okay, so the first item I have here is the Eco Tool. This is the mask remover sponge, and this bad boy actually comes with 3 sponges. It's a mask removing sponge, so you know when you apply your mask, you know, when you want to do some extra cleansing with your face, you can actually use these sponge to actually just remove the mask off of your face instead of using like a rough towel or, you know, your hands. If you use that, you can actually just use these sponges. So they actually come with 3. And Eco Tool is a brand that I usually find in like Walmart or Target. Never ever found Eco Tool in Dollar Tree, which I was very shocked to see this brand in there, especially, you know, these sponges, because I love to use like a sponge when it comes to removing my mask. So this is great, and it's a 3-pack. So yes, I actually purchased 2 of these bad boys just because I'm like, when I find good things in Dollar Tree, literally like the next month they will not be there. Okay, so the next product I have is a Real Technique product, which sis, I have never seen Real Technique in freaking Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is the Real Technique. This is a blotting cushion, and it actually comes with 4 blotting cushions in here, which is really nice. You're supposed to use these dry, so you can use these to like wipe away any type of excess oil. You can just carry this around with you in your purse, any type of small little clutch that you may have, to just wipe away any type of excess oil. You can also use this for liquid foundation application if you do want to use that, but I would just rather just use a regular Real Technique what's it called, beauty blender sponge compared to this. But this is definitely would be great because I do have oily skin, so I will be using these bad boys to wipe away any type of excess oil. Now of course, since they had Real Technique in Dollar Tree, I actually got like maybe like 6 of these bad boys because sis, Real Technique is not $1. It's not. Okay, so the next thing I have is this I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is a Petty Perfect. This is an electric nail care system, and it's pretty much an like nail filer, nail buffer. I actually looked this up online, and I think this is like $5 or $7 just for 1 pack, and I'm like, Dollar Tree, okay. So yeah, so it actually comes with 3 different kinds of files here. It has a file, a buffer, and a shine for your nails. So it's like a whole little cute nail kit just for $1, okay? And it's actually a good brand. So that is neat. So the next thing I have is these Kiss gel nail polish. Now as you know, gel nail polish is not cheap at all, and the Kiss brand is a really good brand. I actually used them before, and I never seen them at Dollar Tree until now. But they actually have these Kiss gel nail polish, so I got the color red, and the specific color is oh, it's in numbers, baby. I'm not gonna say that, but so I actually got a red one, and I got a clear coat, which I always have clear just to use as a top coat and the base coat. But yeah, so I got these 2 nail polish, which is a gel nail polish. Super duper duper dope. So the next thing that I got is this edge control. This is by Softy. Now Softy is a cheap brand, but for me, I never actually seen like a quality kind of edge control in Dollar Tree. And just to see this one, doesn't really smell like nothing, and it's clear inside, but it does have that like bouncy feeling to it, you know, for an edge control. So this is the Perfect Edge Control by Softy, and it has olive oil and aloe inside, and this is actually a 2-ounce jar, even though I feel like they honestly could have put this in a smaller jar because some of the jar has nothing in here, nothing, but whatever. So got that bad boy. Hopefully it works on my type 4 hair. We'll see. So the next item that I have is another Real Technique product, and this is the Expert Air Cushion Sponge. And this sponge, you can actually use this for like any type of like compact makeup that you may have, or if you want to use it for any type of like what you call it, Jesus Christ, a setting powder if you want to. But I thought this was really neat, and like I said, Real Technique and Dollar Tree is something that I thought I would never see in life. So another product that I have here is another Eco Tool product, and this is actually the facial sponge. I can't pronounce that middle name, but it's the facial konjac sponge. This is actually a, what kind of sponge? Oh, this is a charcoal sponge. It says a bamboo charcoal. And this is naturally removes excess oils to refresh and cleanse the skin. It is 100% natural, vitable fiber. It's cruelty free, 100% vegan, and dermatologist tested. And it's safe for sensitive skin. Hence me. So this is cool. So I guess it's kind of infused with charcoal in a sense. So it's a dry sponge right now, and I'm assuming like when you open it up and put water on it, it will just inflate in a sense, and you could just use this like as an exfoliator. So that's cool. So the next product I have is another Real Technique product, and this is a foundation applicator. Now this is actually like a jelly like material, which is very something different. So this is a jelly material. It kind of like reminds me of like, I guess like how like maybe like a breast implant would be. I mean, I don't have those, but I just feel like that's what this would feel like. But so yeah, so it's like a little jelly like texture, and you're supposed to use this to actually apply your foundation. This is a foundation applicator. You can use this to apply foundation onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, pretty much every single where, in a tapping like motion. So I'm very interested in trying this. I actually purchased 2 of these just in case I do like it, because like I said, when you find something good in Dollar Tree and you feel like it's really not supposed to be in there, you might as well just buy more than one, because sis, bro, it may be gone by the next month or the next week once people get a whiff of this product being in there. Okay, 2 products that I have here. These are actually some skin oils, facial oils. So this first one is the Skin Nutrients, and this is a 1% hyaluronic acid vitamin C serum that helps with hydration, radiance, and has antioxidants in it. It is a clinical formula to improve skin texture and clarity with intense moisture and balanced skin brightness and whiteness. It's proven anti-aging properties, and it diminishes the looks of fine lines. So this is the hyaluronic acid one with the vitamin C. And then the next one I have, this is the double strength retinol night repair serum, and this is flawless younger perfect skin. A carefully formulated blend of ingredients to address the most common concerns of aging and supports the skin natural exfoliation process. So it has a powerful result with less irritation, which is good. It reduces the fine lines and wrinkles, and it also unclogs pores. So I actually got these 2 bad boys because I like to look up stuff when I'm in Dollar Tree just to let me see like how good it is or whatever. So I've seen a couple of good reviews on this, and I've seen that this was obviously not worth, well, it wasn't really supposed to be $1. Because I've seen people selling this more than $1 online. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just buy both of these bad boys, try them out at home. Never know, I may love them, may not, but it's $1. At least that's what I paid for, so we'll see. And the next and final product is actually these gold baskets. Now I always see when people like remodel their rooms and stuff like that using like products from the Dollar Tree, and I stumbled upon these super duper cute gold baskets. Now I love these baskets because I feel like it'll give your room or like your shelf a nice aesthetic. You know, I use these baskets actually for my skincare products. because I have a larger one that I actually got from Walmart that was $5, I think, or either $7. And just to find these little bad boys at Dollar Tree for $1, I was like, let me buy 2, okay? But I think these are really, really cute. It's pretty sturdy. You know, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything. Like, you know, it's made out of metal or whatever. I think this is a really, really good find, especially if you want to like jazz up your room or your shelf a little bit. These are great. And I think, I can't really remember, but I think they may have silver. I could be wrong. But gold, I love gold. Okay, period. So you guys, so that completes all of the items that I actually purchased from Dollar Tree that I actually feel like that are worth more than $1. Okay, all of these items are definitely worth more than $1, which I am so happy that I freaking found them. Y'all know I like to shop, okay? And I love a good deal, okay? So you guys, y'all tell me down below, what items have you actually seen inside of your Dollar Tree that I have actually talked about in this video? And what item are you actually going to try and go look for and hunt down that I actually talked about in this video? Because sis, bro, I'm letting you know, go ahead and look at your Dollar Tree right now, because I'm pretty sure that they have these items on the shelf at your Dollar Tree, because they have these items at every single Dollar Tree in New Orleans, okay? So I'm sure they have it at yours, okay? So you guys, so if you did actually enjoy this good old Dollar Tree haul video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam. Okay, join us over here. We're great. Okay. Also, click that notification bell so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye, guys.